Weeks, frustrated residents in Citrus County have been contacting 8 on Your Side asking for help with their flooding issues. Record rainfall in the county has many residents underwater, but help may be on the way. 8 on Your Side's Chip Osowski joins us now live from Crystal River with that story. Chip.
Jennifer, similar story, different Citrus County neighborhood. People who live along Tumblewood Drive here in Crystal River do tell me that the flood water has receded quite a bit. Still, every time the clouds roll in and the rain comes down, the water levels rise, as does their stress.
If you would need it, I don't think an ambulance would come in here if we needed an ambulance if it was 3 feet high, which it was.
Dave Kaiser is worried. Despite the fact the water that covers Tumblewood Drive in Crystal River has receded, he is concerned every time the clouds turn dark. And you've called the county?
Oh, yeah. My wife called them, and they said, oh, it'll be out. And that was the end of that. And, I mean, that road is just, they're going to have to totally redo that part where the water is.
But Dave doesn't have it quite as bad as Chuck Beyer, who we introduced you to earlier this month. He lives on Fred Court in Floral City and still can't make it out of his neighborhood. Today, he told 8 on Your Side he filed a complaint against Citrus County with the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency because of the number of septic fields underwater here.
2 inches of water in here. It covered the bottom rail of that motorcycle lift.
George Janes also lives on Tumblewood Drive in Crystal River. He, too, expressed his displeasure with the county's response.
I can't see what they're doing a damn thing about it. They say they are. Now, they're going to increase our taxes $100 a year, which is going to give them $4 million, they claim. And they're going to be able to work on this, take care of the flood.
And coming up on News Channel 8 at 6, what county leaders are going to be discussing at tomorrow's commission meeting that could help residents in these flooded areas. Jennifer?
And Chip, as you showed us, a lot of frustrated folks. Have you heard from anyone with the county today about this issue and what they might do?
Yeah, actually, I've been exchanging emails with the county commission chairman. He told me he wasn't available for an interview today. I also did reach out to the county administrator, left him a voicemail message, a message with his assistant, and I'm still waiting for a call back on that one.
All right, Chip Osowski reporting live for us in Citrus County tonight. Thank you.